Good morning students, class 9 13.2 question number 7. The inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter is 10 meter deep. Circular well. The inner diameter of a circular well of 3.5 meter is 10 meter deep. Circular well मतलब this is a well. Height will be 10 meter deep and the diameter will be 3.5 meter. Find its inner curved surface area and second find करना है the cost of plastering this curved surface at rate of rupees 40 per meter square. तो curved surface area of cylinder क्या होता है is equal to 2 pi RH. 2, the value of pi will be 22 upon 7. The diameter will be 3.5 meter. Therefore, radius is equal to 3.5 upon 2 meter. So, 3.5 upon 2 and height will be 10 meter. Okay. Point. Therefore, 10. 10 से 10 cancel. 7 5 जा 2 से 2 कैंसिल 110 मीटर स्क्वायर. तो फर्स्ट we find inner curved surface area will be 110 meter square. Second, the cost of plastering this curved surface area is rupees 40 per meter square. The cost of plastering 1 meter square is equal to rupees 40. Therefore, the cost of plastering 110 meter square is equal to 110 into 40 तो rupees 4400. Again first question वापस repeat the question. The inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter and it's 10 meter deep. Therefore, we find its inner curved surface area and second find the cost of plastering this curved surface area at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. First we find curved surface area of cylinder. The curved surface area of cylinder will be 2 pi RH. The 2 into the value of pi will be 22 upon 7. Radius diameter is equal to 3.5. The radius will be 3.5 upon 2. And height will be 10. Point cancel करेंगे तो therefore 10 10 से 10 cancel. So we can solve. Therefore answer is equal to 110 meter square. The cost of plastering 1 meter square is equal to rupees 40. The cost of plastering 110 meter square is equal to 110 into 40 is equal to rupees 4400. Second question देखिए. Question 8. Find the lateral or curved surface area. Lateral and curved surface will be same. The lateral or curved surface area of petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter height. This is a petrol storage tank. The diameter will be 4.2 meter and height will be 4.5 meter. The lateral or curved surface area of petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter diameter and 4.5 meter height. First we find the lateral or curved surface area. So curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 upon 7. Radius will be 2.1. Because diameter is equal to 4.2, so radius is equal to 2.1 meter and height will be 4.5. 7 3s are 21. इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया आंसर आया 59.4 मीटर स्क्वायर. Again we find total surface area is equal to 2 pi r ब्रैकेट में r plus h. 2 into 22 upon 7. Radius will be 2.1. 2.1 plus height will be 4.5. 0.3 तो मल्टीप्लाई किया 44 into 0.3 into 66.6, तो देयरफॉर आंसर आएगा 87.12 मीटर स्क्वायर। क्वेश्चन बोल रहा सेकेंड, हाउ मच स्टील एक्चुअली यूज्ड इन 1/12 स्टील एक्चुअली यूज्ड वाज वेस्टेज द मेकिंग द टैंक। तो टोटल स्टील यूज्ड कर रहा हूँ मैं, टोटल स्टील यूज्ड इज इक्वल टू एक्स मीटर स्क्वायर, वेस्टेज हुई x/12 मीटर स्क्वायर, रिमेनिंग x माइनस x/12 इज इक्वल टू 11x/12 मीटर स्क्वायर। तो ये 11x/12 के इक्वल हो, क्योंकि इसको बनाने के बाद में यूज हुआ। तो देयरफॉर अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन 11x/12 इज इक्वल टू 87.12, तो x इज इक्वल टू 87.1.2 इंटू 12 अपॉन में 11, तो 11 7 ज़ा 77, 11 9 ज़ा 99 और ये 2, तो x इज इक्वल टू मल्टीप्लाई किया, अपना आंसर आया 95.04 मीटर स्क्वायर। वापस समझ लिए, एक स्टोरेज टैंक था, उसका सरफेस कर्ड सरफेस एरिया फाइंड करना था। दूसरा, उसको बनाने में इतनी स्टील यूज्ड, मतलब टोटल बनाने में उसको स्टील जो यूज्ड हुई है उसमें वेस्टेज भी हुई है, एक वेस्टेज हुआ 1/12 पार्ट। तो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया, टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज इक्वल 2πr ब्रैकेट में r प्लस h, तो देयरफॉर टोटल सरफेस एरिया 87.12 मीटर स्क्वायर। बट एक्चुअली कितनी स्टील थी, क्योंकि अपन ने मानी x मीटर स्क्वायर, इतनी वेस्टेज हुई, तो इसको बनाने में लगी 11x/12। देखो 11x/12 एंड ये बोथ आर इक्वल, देयरफॉर x टोटल स्टील थी अपनी 95.04 मीटर स्क्वायर। ओके, क्वेश्चन 9, इन द एडजॉइनिंग यू सी द एक फ्रेम, इस तरह का एक फ्रेम है लैंप शेड का, दिस इज ए लैंप शेड का फ्रेम, बिल्कुल ठीक है। इन टू बी कवर्ड विथ ए डेकोरेटिव क्लॉथ, द फ्रेम हैज बेस डायमीटर इज 20 सेंटीमीटर and height of 30 centimeter. Base diameter will be 20 centimeter and height will be 30 centimeter. This is a 30 centimeter. A margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for folding over. This is a 2.5 centimeter and this is also 2.5 centimeter. This is a lampshade. Okay, this is a lampshade, but this is a cloth for margin. Okay, this is a 2.5 centimeter, this is a 2.5 centimeter. Find the how much cloth is required. So therefore curved surface area is equal to 2πrh, 222/7. Diameter will be 20 centimeter, so radius is equal to 10 centimeter and height will be 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 35 centimeter. 35, 7 5 is 35, 5 2 is 10, 2200 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। बिल्कुल सिंपल क्वेश्चन था, वापस समझ लीजिए। दिस इज ए लैंप शेड, टोटल हाइट ऑफ लैंप शेड दिस इज ए 30 सेंटीमीटर and 2.5 meter top and bottom will be margin. Okay, and diameter will be 20 centimeter. Find the total cloth required. How much cloth required? Therefore curved surface area 2πrh, 2 into 22/7. Radius will be, a diameter will be 20, radius is equal to 10 centimeter and total height of this lamp cloth will be 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 35 centimeter. 7 5 is 35, 5 2 is 10, 10 into 20 2200, therefore centimeter square. Okay, thank you. Students of a school were asked to participate in a competition for making a decorative and pen holders in the shape of a cylinder with a base. Using cardboard, each pen holders was to be a radius will be 3 centimeter, height will be 10.5 centimeter. The school was supplied the competitor with cardboard. There are 35 competitors. How much cardboard required? First, The diagram, we make the diagram. This is a पेन होल्डर्स. पेन होल्डर्स देखो, कभी भी पेन होल्डर बनाएंगे नीचे से क्या होगा, ये बेस इज पेक. ओके, तो इन दिस द फार्मूला फॉर दिस पेन होल्डर्स इज इक्वल टू सरफेस एरिया इज इक्वल टू 2 pi RH plus base will be closed, base will be the shape of a sphere, circle. The area of circle is equal to pi r square. First, the diagram of this pen holders, the curved surface area will be 2 pi RH and the base will be pegged. The base will be just like the shape of a circle. The area of circle is equal to pi r square. तो area of देखना the area of one pen holders is equal to pi r will be common 2h plus r. The value of pi 22/7. The pen holder will be radius will be 3.3 centimeter and height will be 10.5 centimeter. Okay, so 2 into 10.5 plus 3. ओके, तो कितना हो जाएगा 66/7 इंटू 5 2 ज़ा 10, 10 ज़ा 21, 21 और 3 24 मीटर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. क्वेश्चन कितना बोला है, देयर आर 35. तो एरिया सरफेस एरिया ऑफ 35 पेन होल्डर्स is equal to 35 into 66/7 into 24. 7 5 ज़ा 35, मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए 30 3 33 12 6 7820 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. 6 3 6 2 6 और 3 9, सही ना, 7920 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो देख लीजिए वापस क्वेश्चन. The students of a school were asked to participate in competition. One competition, this is type of pen holders. There are 35 competitors is participate in this program. The how many cardboard for making use for these pen holders? First we find the this is area of one pen holder. So the area of one pen holder is equal to curved surface area of cylinder will be 2 pi RH and the base will be just like a circle. The area of circle is equal to pi r square. The common for in these two terms is equal to pi r. 2h plus में r. The value of pi will be 22/7. Radius will be 3 and height will be 10.5. 10.5 into 2 is equal to 21. 21 plus 3 24. This is the one pen holder's area. The surface area of 35 pen, 35 67/7 24 7 5 is the 35 and 330 66 into 124 is equal to 7920 centimeter square. 3 that is cone. Topic is cone. Cone is just like a shape of cone will be okay. The cone shape of just like a, this is cone, this is a height and this is diameter, the base diameter and this is radius. In the side will be ये होती है L. L will be slant height. वापस देख लीजिए. The topic is cone and the shape will be cone. Shape of cone will be this type. This is the height of cone. This is the diameter and this is radius and this is slant height. Okay. Curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. Total surface area of cone will be pi r bracket में r plus L and volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, and we find the slant height L square is equal to r square plus h square. L is equal to under root में r square plus h square. ठीक है, this is a cone. L is slant height, h is height, and this is radius. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL. Total surface area of cone is equal to pi r bracket में r plus L, and volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. L square is equal to r square plus h square, because in the question we use the Pythagoras theorem. This is a right angle triangle. The hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus में base square. अब आपको क्वेश्चन करना है 13.3 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. ओके, first question is diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its length height is 10 centimeter. Find the curved surface area and its total surface area. This is the shape of a cone. The diameter of the base will be 10.5 centimeter and slant height will be 10 centimeter. मतलब diameter is equal to 10.5 centimeter, therefore radius is equal to 10.5 upon 2 and L will be 10 centimeter. First we find the curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL. The value of pi will be 22 upon 7. Radius is equal to 10.5 upon 2 and L will be 10. 2 से 11 times cancel, 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 30, 11 5s are 55, 165 centimeter square. Okay, and second we find total surface area of cone is equal to pi r bracket में r plus L. The value of pi will be 22 upon 7. Radius will be 10.5 upon 2. 10.5 upon 2 and L will be 10. 2 से 11 times cancel, 55, 1.5, 16.5 into LCM will be 2. 10.5 plus 20, so therefore 16.5 into 30.5 अपॉन में 2, इधर कैंसिल करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा अपना 251.625 मीटर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, वापस देख लीजिए. Diameter of the base of cone is 10.5 cm and slant height will be 10. Find the curved surface area and total surface area. Diameter 10.5, radius 10.5, L will be 10 cm. Curved surface area is 165 and total surface area is 251.625 centimeter square. Question second is find the total surface area of cone if its length height is 21 centimeter and diameter of the base is 24 centimeter. L will be 21 centimeter and diameter is equal to 24 centimeter. Therefore, radius is equal to 12 centimeter. Find the total surface area of cone is equal to pi r bracket में r plus L. The value of pi will be 22 upon 7 and radius will be the 12 plus height, so slant height will be 21. So 22 upon 7 into 12 into देखो 22 into 12 कितना हो जाएगा, 12 to the 24 और 24 264 upon 7 into 33. Then solving this equation 1 to 4.57 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. वापस समझ लीजिए. फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन. इट इज स्लैंट हाइट इज 21 सेंटीमीटर and diameter is equal to 24 centimeter. The first we find the radius will be half of the diameter is equal to 12 centimeter. So total surface area of cone is equal to pi r bracket में r plus l. Put the value, the answer is equal to 1244.57 centimeter square. Third question, curved surface area of cone is 308 meter square. Curved surface area of cone is equal to 308 centimeter square and its length height will be 14 centimeter. Find radius of base. Curved surface area of cone will be pi RL is equal to 308 centimeter square. The value of pi will be 22 upon 7. Find the radius and slant height will be given will be 14 centimeter is equal to 308. 7 2s are 14, तो R is equal to 308 upon में 22 into 2. 11 2s are 22, 11 2s are 22, 8 2 से 14 and 2 से 7. तो radius is equal to 7 centimeter. First we find the radius of base. Therefore, the curved surface area of cone will be 308 meters centimeter square. The curved surface area, formula of curved surface area is equal to pi RL. Slant height will be given will be 14 centimeter, 22 upon 7 into R into 14. 7 2s are 14. The cross multiply 22 into the cancellation. Therefore, R is equal to 7 centimeter. Then total surface area of cone is equal to pi R bracket में R plus L. 22 upon 7. Radius will be 7. 7 plus the value of L, slant height will be 14. 7 से 7 cancel, 22 into 21, 462 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. वापस समझ लीजिए, सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन हैज बीन गिवन 308 सेंटीमीटर. फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ द कोन विल बी 7 सेंटीमीटर एंड टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन पाई आर ब्रैकेट में आर प्लस एल. देयरफॉर 462 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. A conical tent is 10 meter high and radius of its base is 24 meter. First, this is a conical tent and height will be 10 meter and the radius will be, base will be 24 meter. First we find the slant height of the tent. तो slant height will be L is equal to under root में R square plus H square. L is equal to radius will be 24 square and height will be 10 square. So L is equal to 576 plus 100. So L is equal to 676 is equal to 26 meter. Okay, is L is equal to 26 meter. And up second we find the cost of canvas to required make the tent. First we find out the curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL. Because in the tent only for curved surface area. So curved surface 22 upon 7. Radius will be 24 and L slant height will be 26. Therefore, तो आंसर आया अपना 13728 अपॉन में 7 मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, वापस देख लीजिए. फर्स्ट वी फाइंड आउट द स्लैंट हाइट विल बी 26 मीटर. सेकेंड वी फाइंड आउट द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया बिकॉज द कॉस्ट ऑफ कैनवास रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक द टेंट ईट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर स्क्वायर कैनवास इज ₹70. तो देयरफॉर क्या हो जाएगा, द कॉस्ट of 1 meter square is equal to ₹70 and the cost of 13728 upon 7 meter square is equal to ₹70 into 13728 upon 7. Therefore ₹13780. ओके, ठीक है. फाइंड अपन ने किया स्लैंट हाइट के बाद कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया एंड कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया के बाद में हमने फाइंड किया द 1 मीटर स्क्वायर ₹17. देयरफॉर 13728 अपॉन 7 मीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ₹13780. 137,280. ओके, ठीक. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. व्हाट लेंथ ऑफ टार्पोलिन 3 मीटर वाइड विल बी रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक कोनिकल टेंट of height is 8 meter and base radius will be 6 meter. This is a shape of the conical tent. This is what is length of tarpaulin? This is made by tarpaulin cloth. What is the length of tarpaulin cloth? The breadth will be 3 meter, and the tent will be, that conical tent of height will be 8 meter and base radius will be 6 meter. First we find the slant height. तो स्लैंट हाइट इज इक्वल टू एल इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट में आर स्क्वायर प्लस एच स्क्वायर. तो रेडियस विल बी 6 स्क्वायर प्लस हाइट विल बी 8 स्क्वायर. तो विल बी 36 प्लस 64 एल इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 100. तो एल इज इक्वल टू 10 मीटर. फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द स्लैंट हाइट ऑफ टेंट एंड नेक्स्ट वी फाइंड द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. Curved surface area is equal to pi RL. The value of pi used for 3.14 in the given in the questions, and radius will be 6 and L will be 10 meter. Therefore 188.4 centimeter square. This is the cloth surface area of tent. This cloth, the tent is made by this cloth of breadth will be 3 meter. Find the length of this cloth. This is tent. For make of tent, this is what required for the cloth. This cloth, the shape of the cloth will be rectangle. Therefore, the area of rectangle is equal to L into B. L into B is equal to the curved surface area of the tent will be 188.4. The breadth will be 3. So L into 3 is equal to 188.4. So length is equal to 188.4 upon 3. So L is equal to 62.8 ये मीटर. ओके, बट अब यहाँ आप देख लीजिए, अब लास्ट में एक लाइन और लिखिए कि एज्यूम दैट द एक्स्ट्रा लेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल दैट विल बी रिक्वायर्ड स्टिचिंग मार्जिन्स एंड वेस्टेज इज कटिंग अप्रोक्सीमेटली 20 सेंटीमीटर. तो वेस्टेज कितना हुआ 20 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 20 अपॉन 100 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 0.2 मीटर. तो एक्चुअल लेंथ कितनी हो बेटा 62.8 प्लस 0.2 इज इक्वल टू 63 मीटर. तो लेंथ विल बी 63 मीटर. वापस समझ लीजिए, इन दिस क्वेश्चन द लेंथ ऑफ टारपोलिन 3 मीटर वाइड. फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ दिस क्लॉथ फॉर मेकिंग द टेंट. The shape of the tent will be the shape in the tent. In the tent, height will be 8 meter and the radius will be 6 meter. First, we find the slant height of the tent. L is equal to R square plus H square. Therefore, L is equal to 10 meter. So, curved surface area of tent is equal to pi RL. That is 188.4 centimeters square. This tent is made by the rectangle shaped cloth. This is a wide will be 3 meter. Find the length of this cloth. So length of the rectangle area of the rectangle is equal to L into B is equal to 188.4. Breadth will be given 3. So length is 62.8 meter. But in the given the question, in the making the tent, therefore wastage is approximately 2 centimeter cloth is wastage. So wastage is equal to 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter is converted to meter, therefore 0.2 meter. So actual length of cloth is 62.8 plus 0.2 is equal to 63 meter. Okay, thank you.